Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cream at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of whole milk and 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your milk is full fat. This is crucial for achieving a rich, creamy texture. You'll also need a blender or food processor to combine everything smoothly. This simple method yields delicious cream for various uses. Next, gently melt your 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. Be careful not to brown it. Once melted, pour the warm butter into your blender. Immediately add the 1 cup of cold whole milk. Blending cold milk with warm butter helps emulsify the mixture, creating that smooth, creamy consistency we're looking for. Now, blend the milk and butter mixture on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll notice it becoming smooth and slightly thickened. Once blended, pour your homemade cream into a clean, airtight container. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling process is vital for the cream to fully set. After chilling, your homemade cream will be wonderfully thick and ready for use. You can simply spoon it over desserts or add it to your favorite recipes. If you desire whipped cream, just whip it with an electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until soft peaks form. Enjoy the fresh, rich taste of your very own homemade cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.